The habits of highly effective people's success is often attributed to talent, luck, or intelligence, but research and observations show that highly effective people share common habits that enable them to achieve their goals. These individuals excel in their personal and professional lives by adopting specific principles that maximize productivity, enhance relationships, and drive long-term success. Below are the key habits that define highly effective people. Proactivity. Highly effective people take initiative. Instead of reacting to circumstances, they anticipate challenges and take control of their actions. They focus on what they can influence, rather than lamenting over what they cannot change. By adopting a proactive mindset, they create opportunities and navigate obstacles with a solutions-oriented approach. Goal-oriented mindset. Effective individuals have a clear sense of purpose. They define their goals with precision and develop a roadmap to achieve them. Whether in business, personal development, or relationships, they set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. By maintaining a vision of their desired future, they stay focused and motivated. Prioritization, first things first. Time management is a crucial trait of highly effective people. They distinguish between what is urgent and what is important, focusing on activities that yield the greatest long-term benefits. Using tools like the Eisenhower matrix, they allocate their time wisely, ensuring that critical tasks take precedence over distractions and trivial matters. Win-win thinking. Successful people understand the power of collaboration. They build relationships based on mutual benefit, seeking outcomes where all parties gain. This mindset fosters trust and long-term partnerships, whether in business negotiations, friendships, or teamwork. Instead of adopting a competitive stance that undermines others, they recognize that cooperation often leads to better results for everyone involved. Effective communication listening is as important as speaking. Highly effective individuals master the art of communication by practicing active listening, showing empathy, and articulating their thoughts clearly. They ensure that their message is understood while also taking the time to understand others. This skill strengthens relationships, minimizes misunderstandings, and enhances teamwork. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Growth-oriented individuals never stop learning. They seek knowledge through books, experiences, mentorship, and constructive feedback. By consistently upgrading their skills and expanding their perspectives, they adapt to change, innovate, and maintain relevance in a constantly evolving world. A commitment to lifelong learning is a hallmark of sustained effectiveness. Resilience and adaptability. Challenges and failures are inevitable, but highly effective people remain resilient. They view setbacks as learning opportunities rather than as obstacles. By maintaining a growth mindset, they embrace change, adjust their strategies, and persist in the face of adversity. This ability to adapt ensures that they remain on course toward their goals despite external disruptions. Strong work ethic and discipline. Success is often a result of consistent effort and discipline. Highly effective individuals do not rely solely on motivation, which can be fleeting. Instead, they cultivate disciplined habits that keep them productive, even when they do not feel particularly inspired. They show up, do the work, and maintain their commitment to excellence.